guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here and you don't know me, I'm Prunella, and if you're already a subscriber, then thanks for tuning in. Well, today we're going to do a tutorial on how to tie your scarf in a few simple, easy steps. All you need is a long scarf like this. You want to just crunch it up together. This is how you want to do it. So you want to take two ends, put them together, which will create this big loop. Hold the loop and the ends together like this. Put it around your neck and take the end of the scarf, push it through the loop like so. Show it again like this. And simple and easy one. Adjust it as your comfort. You want it to be tighter, you can use it like this. Or you want it to be loose, midway, wherever you want, you can just adjust it the way you want. And there you go. That's how it looks. Now the same thing, we want to do it with a twist. For that you're going to start twisting your scarf like so. So now what you want to do is, since the whole scarf is twisted like this, I don't know if you can see so, make the two ends meet. This is how it should look. You got this little loop here. Put it around your neck. Put the end through the loop. As such. Here you got yourself a necklace scarf. Kind of cute. You can put this, you can wear this over your formal shirts in this style, or t-shirts, or whatever you want to wear. You can style it with your winter jackets. Let's just get this out. Another easy step I'm going to show you. Open up your scarf as such. Put it around you as so. Now what you want to do is you can either keep it this way, like over your shoulder, but what I like to do is I bring it down to my arms. Either which way, your scarf is going to keep you warm. Both the ends, you're going to put it together and tie a knot as such. You can double tie it so it's kind of secured as such. Another style I'm going to show you is take the corners of your scarf and put it behind and cross it as such. Cross it, bring it over, just let it hang. So you can wear a scarf like this as well over your denims and a t-shirt, and it looks pretty cool. Same thing I'm going to show you with actually a different style. You're going to put your scarf together, put it as a necklace all around your neck in the front, cross it at the back as such, and bring the ends in the front. That's how you do it. You can keep it long like so, you can wear it like this. Pretty easy, isn't it? And at the same time you can just loosen it up and there you go. Isn't it cute? The other way to wear a scarf is pretty elegant, simple. Just put it around your neck, keep one side a little shorter than the other, and just cross the longer side across your neck. Pretty chic, elegant, more like a lady. Okay. Now the other one you want to do is fold your scarf into half, as again, like we've done before. Put it around your neck, but only this time is one loop through the front side of the scarf, and the other loop, take it around the scarf like this, and bring it through the loop from the other side. Sorry for that fumble. That's what you're going to get. This, all you can do is just wear it over your head, as so. If you can't afford to buy a satin pillowcase, which is pretty expensive at the market these days, don't worry, these tassels, I'm just going to tuck them in. Tie it around your hair. Very comfortable. You can sleep in it. Simple. So I hope you guys really like this video, and if you do, drop a thumbs up and don't forget to press that bell icon button and subscribe to my channel. Share my video if you like it. Till then, see you.